major landform. What are the importance of mountains? What are the importance of mountains? How they can use to our lives? We act. Those are act as barriers against the cold, hot, whatever it is, dry winds when they get to the landforms. That time the mountains help to us because they do like fight against the barrier, safe to us from the cold, dry or hot winds. So like that. Then mountains bring from the rivers. They are originating from the mountains, that like water for irrigation that used, and drinking the water that river, mountain falling the water, that one power generation we can use that make power generation from the hills fall down water. So like that. And various minerals are found in mountains. Some mountains use the varieties of minerals. Those are very important to our life. This way mountains are useful to us. And the rivers bring down sand and silt from mountains, because the plain areas, when the river bring the sand and silt from the mountains, get the heavy rainfall, they bring the sand and mud, or it may be make it plain fertile deposit in particular places like that, valleys or plain areas. This way the mountains are very useful to us. And the slopes have rich forest and fertile lands. And slopes also have very rich forests. Forests are most useful because they use us for oxygen and varieties of furnitures and houses we build from the wood, from get the forest. And fertile land also use the in mountain slopes have. It may be useful, very useful for in fertile land. So these are important of the mountains. Mountains save to us from the cold or winter or dry winds, or it may be hot. So and give the minerals and then water, irrigation and electric power we get from the water. Mountains, when the mountains up in rainfall there, we get the converter generation power there. And sands are fertile irrigation, and it may be very useful to us from the mountains. And then plateaus, how it is plateaus are used to us. Plateaus elevated, we call them elevated landform with flat topped and steep sloped. It may be like elevated, very high in there and landform, and some are there flat topped and steep slopes there. It may be from the make it river. And how it is climate there? Climate is very cool in plateaus and cut off by the river that places. Some are large and extend over. Some are very plateaus are some are very large in their sizes and very extend over 100 of kilometer. For example, Asia in India and South Africa and North America, Australia. These are the for best example of the plateaus that has very rich in the grassland areas. So the people wanted their rearing the cattle and sheep. Cattle and sheep automatically they rich in economically they developed very quickly in that place. The black soil of peninsular plateau. Peninsular plateaus also have a black soil. It is very good for growing the cotton and sugar cane. It is most useful for us because daily varieties of clothes we wear in new generation. It is also most useful the plateaus areas black soil. And then sugarcane in many types of provide the product from the sugarcane in nowadays. It is most useful in this space. And then plains. Plains are how the plains are useful to us. What are the plains? A land with a relatively low relief. It may be we call it is also lowlands. We call them plains are lowlands because it with relatively low relief with the land flat or gently ruling like that. So made by the rivers. These are also made by the rivers, fine sealed with them, which they deposit in the river valleys. River valleys also deposit the fine sealed with them when the river came there. And fertile plains are for more thickly populated because these areas crops grown easily. The people get easily crops grown here in these places, plains areas. Water are available easily here, and some are the near for the some areas, plain areas are near for the sea coast. It is most useful for cultivating the fishing or hunting, whatever it may be, and then they easily grow the varieties of crops and water also available. They get easily food from the plain areas. And what are the importance of plain areas? Because it is fertile soil and these places are most suitable for agriculture because fertile soil automatically we get the well grown there many crops and settlement life is very easy. It may be houses or it may be they located the houses, cities and villages, whatever it may be, very easy for our life settlement in these plain areas. Easy to construct road and railways, industries and houses, aerodromes. In these areas, plain areas, we make the roads very easily and railway tracks, it may be industries were built in those areas, houses and aerodromes very easily built there in plain areas. For this ways, the most useful for plain areas. Whatever it is in natural available or mountains or plateaus or plains, whatever it is naturally, those are gives us most useful and important part of in our life because they have naturally resources and also we get from the cultivate there. Some are crops it may be or from the we made from clothes from built industries in that areas and some are minerals they have most useful